Allie is a 20-year-old female patient presenting to the emergency room with a skin rash. Upon examining her medical history, it is apparent she suffers from epilepsy and is on the medication carbamazepine. Her physician informs her that skin rashes are common among individuals using this drug, specifically those of Asian heritage. However, this drug had been approved for its safety and efficacy, so when was such side effect discovered? And had the discovery been made prior to approval, would this still be an available treatment? This sample case study presents an issue that is often encountered during clinical trials. That is, lack of participant diversity during drug development. Drug development is a process that involves the recruitment of human subjects to test the safety, dosage, and efficacy of new medications. Specifically, an analysis observing trials in 29 countries deemed 86% of people involved to be Caucasian. This lack of diversity can be due to many reasons, including historical medical exploitation of minority populations leading to mistrust. False perceptions, prejudice, and bias by medical providers can also lead to participant exclusion. An example is the belief that non white subjects will not adhere to medical protocols. Many minorities also have limited access to care and health insurance, preventing them from participating. However, this is problematic because the results and effects of the drug being tested may not be generalizable, that is, extended to a larger group of patients who are not studied. This leads to research that is not socially and scientifically valuable and therefore unethical. Furthermore, it becomes unknown whether the drug is unsafe or ineffective in certain populations, as demonstrated in this case study, indicating that non maleficence is not being ensured towards all patients. An overall lack of effort by researchers in recruiting a diverse subset of participants does not abide by a leading guideline in research ethics, that being fair subject selection. Few initiatives currently take place to better understand drug use and existing clinical trial data among populations with diverse individuals. In 2015, the FDA launched the Drug Trial Snapshot Program. Demographic details such as race and ethnicity of clinical trial participants are made public to provide differences in the benefits and side effects among different groups. In 2022, Health Canada has proposed stricter regulations requiring sponsors of clinical trials to provide demographic data to better protect racialized populations from ineffective treatments and those with adverse effects. However, these policies do not actually change the process of participant recruitment. Instead, several other suggestions have been made, including relocating trial sites closer to minority groups, involving the community in the trial design for better representation, making participants aware of how they will benefit their disadvantaged communities, and reducing accessibility barriers to clinical trials. Thus, it is important that clinical trials recruit a diverse range of participants to abide by ethical guidelines, ensuring fair selection of participants and reduction of negative side effects experienced by certain populations. Both the current and proposed solutions are promising and can help serve to improve patient diversity in drug development clinical trials.